Bye-bye, house. See you next month.
Bye-bye to the flag.
Let's go, Pera.
What time now? The guys on the way.
We're going na. We go into the car of Nana, and then they go in the Uber. That's them na. They putting the luggage. That's their house. Ah. That's our luggage. Oh my God. Goodbye. Say hi, Pera.
Hi.
Hi, ate. We're here na in the airport, guys. That's them. Ayan sila.
You're gonna find a sample.
Look at our baggage. What's happening? Together, and then I will go there also later.
No, you're not allowed to take cameras when you see it.
Really?
Food going on that one.
You wave him back.
The ones you can see the airplane. It's not nice, okay. Go there. Say hi, Ate Elise.
Hi, Auntie.
Yes. Ito, kasalukuyang papasok na kami. Ayan, oh. Papasok na kami sa loob. Inuna yung mga bata, eh. Pera, say hi to Mom. Sienna. Hi.
Hi. And Nietzsche with the baby.
No, there's no space to mix here. Boys going down.
Oh, watch your step.
I think I'm going down.
Get headphones.
Yeah, you get one, Sienna. Take one.
Oh, we have.
What's that?
Headphones for you.
We have.
You don't know.
I don't need it. You want headphones? We have none.
We have a headphone. Look at everything.
Pera, where you going? Hoy.
And I'm going nothing.
Oh, okay. Go, walk na. Walk, Pera. That's the step na for the airplane. Watch the step. Watch the step. Sienna, wait. Sienna.
Good evening. Go across.
Pera, follow Dad. Why when you're fat, you cannot fit there? Why you sit here? Is this our seat?
No, it's not.
That's the business class. Social. Pero hindi kami dyan. Ang ganda, diba? Ganyan pala ang business class. But we're not there. We're not a business class.
Different chair.
Yeah, we're in the different chair. We're here in the economy class.
Yeah, to the baby.
Huh?
To the baby, the more baby.
You're the one first and Sienna will follow you. Pera. Thank you. We're here now in the plane, guys. Pera, where are you? Hi. Sienna. Hi.
Your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through Singapore.
Singapore Airlines, they're saying something.
Yeah, I know.
During takeoff and landing, make sure that your seat belt is securely fastened during taxi, takeoff, and landing. To fasten, bring the two ends of the seat belt together until you hear a click. Tighten it by pulling on the strap.
Daddy said.
If you're in business class, pull the shoulder strap to fasten your seat usual. Secure your mask first before helping others. It is normal for the bag to not fully inflate. Place your hands on top of your head.
So you can
Keep your feet flat on the floor and heels towards. Reach the seat in front of you. Lower your head and lean forward as far as you can.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure that your seatbelt is fastened and drop your window sheets. Thank you.
Are you stopping when he's watching?
When he's
When is there's announcement? Ah, okay.
Oh, the trail. Somebody's taking it.
Oh.
It's going to take off.
That's the one.
It's bumpy. It's going down. It's going fast. You ready? Oh, it's super fast now. Even up is fast.
Sienna, we're flying.
So fast.
Maya, we're flying na. There, you look at that.
Yeah, going up now. Yeah, we're flying now. Ooh.
Oh, we are at the up na, Sienna.
Look at the glass wall.
Sienna, you see?
Look at the houses.
It's that little toys, doesn't it?
Oh, it's Look, there's a proceeding. Stadium. See the office stadium there? Don't care.
They don't even care.
Dad, I don't have butterflies like that.
Look how small the cars are now. So small. She went to watch a movie.
Maya is busy.
Oh, watermelon.
Ate is busy. Hi, Sienna. Sienna. Busy. That's the child meal of Pharaoh. You want later to eat chocolate? Later to eat. Sienna, have a child meal. Sienna. Hi. Hello, Ate Elise. Sienna, hi, Ate Elise. Nakakatawa pinilinis niya yung table niya. Nakikita sa akin. Tapos na kasi siya, oh.
And have your seatbelt securely fastened.
Nasa turbulence kami, guys, kaya sabi mag-seatbelt daw. Eh, sabi ko yung turbulence. Sabi dito seatbelt. Then, pag-umihi daw yan. Turbulence, Mayra. It's moving the train. She don't care. Watching mermaid. How about Ate? What are you doing there? Sienna, are you playing Switch? What can you see there? You look again. Yeah, because we're at the top of the clouds. Oh, may ice cream si Mayra. Chocolate ice cream. May pa-ice cream sila kaming lahat. Si Sienna, ayan. Where's your ice cream? Sienna. Si Mayra, eto, gising na gising. Ang ate, eto, nakatulog. Sienna sleeping. Sienna sleeping. landing. Tulog na tulog. Actually, si Sienna nagising kanina kasi nagko-complain masakit ang tiyan. Ako rin parang sumakit ang tiyan mo. Parang puro hangin. Hindi ko alam. Nasa ibang transfer na kami. Deep sleeping. We here na, but we're sitting because we're tired. Yeah, they're getting our bag.
Look at your face, Sammy.
Toy. Still okay, my bag. Ay, naku po. Ayan na kami. And Nana, at last, they get na the hotel. Oh, let's go na to Nana. Oh, you help him na to push in the 14J. I smell wet socks daw. Is that the smell of your dad's socks?
Come on. Oh, that's Nana's place. Oh, there's your washing machine in the kitchen.
Washing machine in the kitchen. You can laundry your thing pa.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go na. The guy is waiting.
Okay.
We go na to our place. Let's go.
Boss, saan sila pwede drop off? Drop off. Dito po.
No sticker, no entrance.
Ayan. So, we fall in line.
No, look at the building. There's many.
Look at that one. It's so high as.
Mom, look, it looks like everything is fake, but it's not.
Oo.
Okay, now.
Let's go na them. We talk na to them.
Looks like Roblox.
Roblox, the Minecraft, everything.
Ha?